welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Tragic incident unfolds in Nong Stoin. Husband arrested for brutal murder. Sleepy truck driver causes collision with shop in Umbrangsai Main Road, Ribhoi. Shop owner unharmed. Eastern West Khasi Hills District partners with International Water Conclave for environmental cleanup drive. And residents protest Dr. Ampri Lingdor's plan to relocate street vendors to Lady Veronica Lane. And now the news in detail. In a harrowing incident on the evening of 2nd February 2024, 26-year-old Wansaralin Wanya met a horrifying end at the ends of her husband, Biangkupar Nongsit in Tesau Nongstoin. The assailant mercilessly attacked his pregnant wife with a knife, leading to her untimely demise. Swift police action resulted in the apprehension of the culprit and recovery of the murder weapon. The deceased was urgently taken to the civil hospital Nongstoin. Authorities commend the public and the victim's relatives for aiding in the prompt arrest. On the morning of 2nd February, a truck carrying coal coke from Jantia Hills to Bernihat collided with a shop in Umbrangsai Main Road, Ribhoi district. Media reports indicate the truck driver's drowsiness as the likely cause of the incident. Remarkably, the shop owner, who was asleep inside during the collision, emerged unscathed, oblivious to the mishap. The incident underscores the potential dangers of driver fatigue on the road and highlights the importance of road safety measures to prevent such accidents in the future. On 2nd February, Eastern West Khasi Hills District collaborated with the International Water Conclave Program 2024, organizing a water cleaning drive initiated by the Deputy Commissioner's Office. The cleanup spanned from Mauleng Pendeng Yong Bridge to Mairang, targeting littered garbage and plastics. The objective is to raise awareness about the importance of rivers and aquatic life. Residents, local leaders, government officials and Mairang's youth actively participated, emphasizing the need for community-driven environmental education. This collaborative effort aims to instill a sense of responsibility among the people towards preserving water bodies and aquatic ecosystems.
Kadang hampir tiang yang mentah dengan kap pada bersama ini membuat ini wangi seman ini pada berat plastik berat jebok jebok meneh merba ini lalat nak cepat ini semar sedih ini berat jebok macam kok kemudian belum kita ada belum dijemput di tempat ini kita bagi berapa ya sempat kuat ini gawang kuat senang betal kuat ini sikit kuat ke apa ini kan berapa ini yang tetap kalau kita dia ini kuat Kalian kuat dan kuat kuat kalau kuat dia kalau ini dia lah kita ini berapa kali pulang ini pun dia sekarang ini program ini pun ini bawa tapi itu buat itu ini terus mungkin bawa sebab sebab belum pada daerah juga belum sudah betul dari kok di top. Start.
Oh, kita pode ter.
Residents of Lady Veronica Lane, Lajum Kra, voiced strong opposition to Dr. Ampri Lingdor's decision to relocate street vendors from Lajum Kra main road to their congested lane. Mona Lisa Wankar, a resident, expressed concern, citing the presence of schools like Bethany Society, Mary Rice, Jyoti School and Bansara Eye Care. Wankar emphasized the lane's importance for student commutes and predicted potential disruptions. Addressing the media at Shillong Press Club, she urged reconsideration, highlighting the adverse impact on daily life in the densely populated area due to the proposed relocation.
Nalor kata ini di surau ibala lebha, baiba kemha, tampan ya mentaru kalong kebala kem lupa. Henry, hari ini surau dan ruki school kum ka Bethany Society, kabade ka school na kabenta ki khna balun jintuna ka dokon met, ka Mary Rice kabade ka school na kabenta ki khna ki balun jintuna ka Khuborjylla, ka donru ka jaka sumar khmat lani ka eye care hospital, ka baka kirte ka Bansara eye care center. Halor kata ki omru ban kham ki kali ban ya imba kan ka surok ban sabu da ki Khuborjylla. Hendra ya kali tingim snow dan nongrim haba pun ki nong sha sumar khamat ban ki priu ki badon jintuna kamet ki don kamru ban sha le bu ban sha wan sha na ki jaga sumar. Kumno ki mut ban penya di ki nong bang shido ka parking bagi thmu ban bu ya ki yo ki bialai da kono ka nongrim nim la kan su thu. Shushu ni kum kinong shong ladan nan kanu ke jingja basmusi kumno ken kinya ki ambulance bagi kali building namar kanti ka bala kem lupa halor kata kimbu se kata kayo haka jaka ka bari kanti yan brio lani ka footpath nei pat ken mangi ki brio nya yan kanu ka basmusi palat bai menteri badan purom ibadai petru ikatanan health and family welfare iknar to perkhatlem yangi ki nong shong but ki stakeholders bashakta da kanikalai bai la shukun bana hakgak pentin kandria no yaki street vendors shakanikati nila thoshiti would sin chiki nong shaki officer bahe da sarkar yaki minister bahe but unchu to EDC badan budom henry hadu manta nyepat yo jawab eru dia mensem yani kum ki nong shong but kalau pensemusi ini hadu kata-kata mengimpan sesio mengin shipra dengan negara bandle dengan press release babarok ki prioritet bakin UI ya kajing maksud nyo joki nom ni khamat jumi bakim sud nyo ya kajing jumi ki bashakta dengan negara questions bangin suggest kumni mentate long ki lesi kampuan she ini terima actually ki kuat kan kendu ki sarkar ki kuat kan kendu hi kong ampri ya gitu ki badan namu hata tu kami bakin decide mo mano badan tu lang basnang pelun ki yang bayaran la tingi kuat kan kendu lang hi ki bangiru ki laban I suggestions did niru ni dan ki suggestions malalan asmo kadaban kuat ni benar hadu kelak kuat kuat dalam apa yang berbuat dalam one hagi social media platform, the one hagi YouTube, the one hagi news channels, ni benar kumta.
On 2nd February, Khasi Students Union led by Ruben Niger met Power Minister A.T. Mondal, urging prompt personal interviews for 24 youth who cleared the MEECL written test in 2019. Minister Mondal assured a meeting with MEECL authorities to address the delay and expedite the interview process.
Tim dasi ka jing kendu ini buat Bawang Minister kalong halor ka employment kata kadi abadi baka MCL kumba pilih hik hal khawi trik kularin kot muslim nila Pak Dorcas Shapo Chairman Managing Director juga MCL halo kawi ka pus ka bata di jong assistant engineer bala pelat ni muslim arja khandai dia kani ka pus la conduct examination ka keteng juga candidates some candidates kalami but tidak pensakut ka personal interview nadu arja khandai hadu menta kimshim la khandai ka personal interview te halo kani pentangi la kendo yu director juga MCL ka jubab ka chungu kolong ba balik kimla untung bikin kadang personal interview kolong ba kimshim dan te halor kani ni wada dia ka juga jing mujor siapa upau minister bang yong buat ka jingdawa ka chungi kolong ba kum kani ka kam haba kila don ka sanction kila pala ja ka sanction na rules nam azat sendai balik pat ba kumla ban thep ka kam kum bang im kini report ba ka kam ka jam ka di kawai bangi kwa ba ken long transfer buat kani ka jing slap na south nam kenti minta buat ka jing bamla bantung kam kapini ba kadon ka cylinder buat ni mla bencungit ba kam simdan ka pisah ni la peni sya ni apni show power minister ba kidon ka tu kani kumang I hapo ka audit general report ka ba ka NECL kala pulut put ya ka pisah jong haki ke ka bu haki ke kam ki ba kala ban penduna kum kawe ka so bhagia scheme kaba 6% crore tam kala asuk pundut kai ke kabala ban peduna kidan sekini kibiru ki DDU joka ude kini ki skin kaba kadon ke kaba ka MCL kala asuk pundut palat ban ke kaba kadon kam bat kini ki borong na tho khashti ki jungi ila ni uba ni ong ba kadon ni dawa bagi dan kam yang inquiry buat nak kalian kepa upau minister orang bahwa ke inquiry kala don kala initiate buat haduk menta ka proceeding kadang don apa hukun buat ni kum kaseng info apa kini kijak jingja kum ki jing bamsab kenang ngai ulang apa MCL nama ba kum mengi ki audit journal report menta dipini ba kurur ke bisa isu long leno Pak kum kini bisa pak pelak penun kam kadai takap jinglen juga bisa jumpa pak kum kini bisa pelak penun kam ka tungkam tungjam nama ba kau kum bagi minta hak MCL ki duna ha ki prominent post Khubor ki nong tereh turut kimio ko turut ko ki asen ki engineers ki dar shutung be contractor post te man muslim ki na chuni ki pas ki institute ki ba repair ki wat ya kam kacam hindai kim shimyo kim shimyo nomor ba ni mla kum ka corporation kum ka state mla ban generate ka kam ki te ka jing tu ini yo pa minister kalong ba ude ban khot ki recruitment ki ban stang nalu azak khanda minta la south nam kenti kim kam shimyo ban recruitment permanent ki sidon potang contractual post jadi banyak cakman but kini ki bang ila tho khasi ba corruption ki bon po MCL kini ban kut but ya dalap ya nu ki officials ki ba dan kiti ya kan ni bamsap badiban penstom ki kat kum Khuborjylla.
Chief Minister Konrad K. Sangma inaugurated the construction of an artificial football turf at Ryangdo Playground, West Khasi Hills District. Present at the ceremony was Sports and Youth Affairs Minister Methodius Dakar and Deputy Commissioner Garrett Dykes. Sangma emphasized the significance of upgrading the neglected field, allocating 10 crores for its development over 18 months. Highlighting the government's commitment to youth, he praised Meghalaya's under-18 football team's victory at Khelo India Youth Games. Sangma urged the youth to excel in sports, promising continued support through infrastructure, financial aid and policies, fostering a culture of athletic achievement.
Ya kabainuan banyak kendo banyak keren ni kijing jumpi kinong song snong jong kan gathan mo sunrut hiboro kowe kijing kendo kujung nakapor sa kapor yang UCM banyak keren ya kijing don kam juki khon samla jong kan gadong kathan ga jumpi ngangit scam piyo UMLA badan sisa ya kemensim ban sakri ki padba lingba kijing tri sitam kujung kani ka sngi ngilala pengin wan bo uni mau nong rem hang ne pos nong reng do ngai kubleru ya meli baraming nang tinapo ramrai bai dor kalong matni kani Khubor baro ki officers na po ka sports department iba paya ko assistant director DSO ko si bai dor kalong ni Khubor DC ki SP ke police department but kamtam ngai kublei ya kani sports club kabala penbet penbiang ya kani sngi bagan long ka sngi ko kaba ipo ipeng bakan long ru ka sngi kaba long ka jingjong na kamta kani ka snong riang do hi bro ko we
jong ka dong jong ka than ngangai bagani ka sngi kadi ka sngi ka bakrau ya ka dong ya ka than bro ko we bat ka sngi ka bangila ap kami nanti mentala de ki po snam nadu bangiyo ya kani ka cella bat menta kasni ke bangi angnun bangin nui bangin penkaladur ya kani ka madan ke bangi laju ya kren na Khubor ki function ki paper bangi kwa banyu ya ke cingkaladur jong kani ka madan menta kasni kala urlang bat nangit kani ka dei ka cingkerku ya para kinong song sinong jong ka motion road constituency hi para kawai bat omtang jong ka motion road constituency andai jong ka West Khasi Hills si barok kawai bat kani ka jia bat kani ku urlang.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.